Have you ever wanted a book that teaches you machine learning, deep learning, scikit-learn as well as PyTorch? Well, I have some news for you. Keep watching the video.
I was thinking, I've seen many books that teach you machine learning in the most simplified manner. There are really good books that give you everything that you require to create a good deep learning model. There are books that effectively give you the right code that you require to create machine learning or deep learning models. Is there one book that teaches you everything? Is there one book that can help me understand concepts of machine learning, that can also help me develop machine learning models through Python, Scikit-Learn? If I want to venture into deep learning, if I want to understand attention layers that are gaining so much of popularity in NLP, if I want to understand GANs, is there one book? Well, the answer now, today, that I have is yes. So this is the book that I wanted to show all of you. Do you see this? The book is basically machine learning with Python and Scikit-Learn. The book is written by one of the most renowned authors of machine learning, and I've kind of learned a lot from his previous book as well. It's written by Sebastian Raschka, and he's done a fabulous job. Let me be upfront about it. So in this video, I'll tell you what this book is all about, whom is this book actually for, and whether you should go forward and buy this book or not. So without wasting any further time, now let's jump into the book and why this is such an awesome book for all of you in data science and machine learning. The first impression that I can give you about the book is that it's basically an enhancement over the previous book that Sebastian had written. So this book now covers transformers, GANs, which kind of help you understand complex concepts such as transformers and GANs in a better way. So this book, if you ask me, like a very honest opinion, is a great book for anyone who wants to get into machine learning as well as someone who is planning to change careers. I highly encourage both of such people to check out this book. The book is extremely comprehensive. The book basically covers different topics in detail. Like, it won't shy away from going in depth for a particular topic. It basically has more than 700 plus pages, so it's not for something wherein you can casually read something and understand something. It's a heavy book and it will not shy away from giving you a concept in detail. In total, there are 19 chapters in the book. So the author goes through, say, various topics such as building good training data sets, dimensionality reduction, best practices, ensemble models, PyTorch, Scikit-Learn, CNNs, RNNs, transformers, GANs, and much more. The first 10 chapters of the book basically discuss the fundamentals of machine learning, right from the definitions of various concepts to cleaning data, and then you also have some projects in the first 10 chapters itself. Things become interesting after chapter 11. So chapter 11, you create your own neural network from scratch. Then we are introduced to this amazing library called as PyTorch, and then the remaining chapters use PyTorch to build projects that give readers a wide variety of experience. The one unique thing that I've observed in this particular book is that the final section of the final chapter includes a book summary. So this will basically reinforce the reader what he's learned so far. This book is extremely comprehensive. Like, this book does not beat around the bush. It will give you a concept, it will give you the mathematics behind that concept, and then later on it will kind of give you a small project wherein you will be able to understand and appreciate the concept in true sense. The book does not also shy away from theory. It will give you theory that is required for you to create good machine learning or deep learning projects. A good thing that I've discovered in this book is, rather than using scikit-learn, fit and predict functions, places where the authors feel that it's very necessary to go in depth of a particular concept, the authors have basically written that particular section in Python, like plain Python using NumPy and Pandas, which is extremely beneficial to understand the actual implementation of an algorithm, by which the reader has a clear idea in terms of how a particular algorithm functions. This is basically a really good book. All I can say in summary is I have absolutely no hesitation in recommending this book. The authors have done a fantastic job and there is something for everyone in here. Highly recommended and a must buy for all you guys who want to learn and enjoy the field of machine learning and data science. Well, this is all that I had in today's video. I hope you found this video informative. If you do like the content that I post on my channel, so just to give you a heads up, I create content on data science, machine learning, big data, Python, and yeah, there are different things that I cover. So I also cover deep learning aspects as well. So if you happen to like my videos, please like the video and press the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon that's near the subscribe button so that you are notified when my next video comes up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day ahead.